Friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to study about Y-linked inheritance. Now Y chromosome, it contains around 200 genes and approximately 50 genes are unique to the Y chromosome. Rest all genes are found in X chromosomes and hence it is known as pseudo-autosomal region. Why pseudo-autosomal region? Because this is X chromosome and this is Y chromosome. So the genes that are present in this section of Y chromosome is also found on the homologous X chromosome. Hence, this section of the X and Y chromosomes, they behave as an autosomal region. Though they are not autosome, but they are behaving as an autosomal chromosome gene or region. Hence, it is known as pseudo-autosomal region. X and Y are not autosomes. They are sex chromosomes, but this section of X and Y, they are behaving as a pseudo-autosomal region because the genes present on this section of Y chromosome is also found on its homologous X chromosome. Now, because these are Y-linked genes and Y chromosomes are only found in males, hence any defect in Y chromosomes will affect only males. Now, the characters that are due to the genes present on Y chromosomes, these characters get transferred from grandfather to father to son and then to grandson because the Y chromosome is found only in the males. Now, the characters found only in the males, such characters are known as Hollandric characters. Now, if father is diseased, the character will be found in all sons because sons are also males. Males have Y chromosome and this Y they can get only from their father because mother don't have Y chromosome. Therefore, if father is diseased, the character will be found in all sons. These genes do not skip generation because in all the generations, the Y chromosome will get transferred because it is only coming from the male partner. And they will behave as a dominant. Why they will behave as a dominant? Because in males, it is XY. So that means only one copy of this Y chromosome is found. So whether the gene is recessive or dominant, it will always be expressed in that particular individual. Hence, these genes always behave as a dominant genes. Now, Y chromosome behaves as haplotype because it cannot undergo recombination. Therefore, the reason for variation is only mutation. Hence, it is used for phylogenetic analysis. Now, why it cannot undergo recombination? Because recombination occur between homologous chromosome. One chromosome from male partner, one chromosome from female partner. In our body, we have 23 pairs of chromosome. Total of 46 chromosome. That means 23 from father, 23 from mother. So, for example, if this is a chromosome number 1 from father, the chromosome number 1 from mother, these two is known as homologous chromosome. In case of Y chromosome, because the male contains only one Y chromosome, so its homologous partner, that means another Y is missing. There is only one copy. So its homologous partner is missing. Therefore, Y chromosome behaves as haplotype and it cannot undergo recombination because for recombination we need a homologous partner. So therefore, it is used for phylogenetic analysis. Now, the example of Y-linked inheritance or character is a hypotrichosis of pinna. As you have noticed in some males, you can see hairs on their external ear, that is pinna. So that is a Y-linked character. Hairs on the ears. Now, this male character, which is present on Y genes, Y chromosome, is actually not because Y chromosome. It is actually because the presence of a gene on Y chromosome, which is known as SRY gene. This SRY gene is responsible for male character. That means the total Y chromosome is not responsible for development of a male as a male. So for development of a male as a male, we need a gene which is known as SRY gene. This gene is responsible for the development of male character or for the development of male as a male. If this gene is missing, in that case, that male will not develop any male character and it will be like female. So the importance of SRY gene is for the development of male as a male. Now, if we see XY SRY negative. So SRY negative means this is a male, but it will behave as a female because this gene is missing. Now, when such male is crossed with a female, in the next generation, what all we will get? This X with this X, XX, normal female. The same X with this second X, again a normal female. Then this X with this Y, that means XY having this SRY negative. So though it is a male, it will behave as a female. Again, the same XY SRY negative. This is also a male, but it will be a female because to develop a male as a male, we need SRY gene. So in the absence of SRY gene, this male is now female. So now what happened? Suppose if you can see here XY SRY negative. Though it is a male, but now that he is a she because of lack of SRY gene. So now this he, which is actually a he, but now it is she because of lack of this SRY gene, when crossed with male. Why it is getting crossed with male? Because externally, this he is a she. So being a she, it should be crossed with a he, that is a male, the female with male. So now such female when crossed with a male, such female means such male actually, but due to the absence of SRY gene, this male is now female when crossed with the male, normal male. So in the next generation, what we will get? XX, a normal female, XY, a normal male, XY SRY negative, male, but a female, and YY SRY negative. Why? Because this Y, when gets combined with this Y. So it will be YY SRY negative. Now this child will not survive. So this will be the result of the cross if a male lacking SRY gene is crossed with a male. Now, if I ask you, because SRY gene is very important for development of a male as a male, what will happen if you add this gene on the female X chromosome? Do let me know in the comment section. If you found the video informative, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for the next video notification. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.